dear viewers, in a previous video I shared my adventures with polymer clay that was probably past its expiration date despite being soft and moist, perhaps a bit too soft. After letting it air dry a bit, it became much easier to work with. So what did I create with this clay? If you're curious, keep watching. My name is Olena and I welcome you to my art channel. Don't forget to support me with likes, leave comments and subscribe. Now, all the bits I made have dried and I coated them with Mod Podge and a layer of varnish for extra durability. Let's start assembling the jewelry. I'll begin with earrings, for which I'll need some pins, hooks and connectors. I'm using an adhesive to ensure the pins hold firmly. I also add floral bead caps for an extra touch of elegance. The beads are ready, and this time I'm using silver-plated kidney ear wires with silver connector rings to link them to the bead. Here are the lovely earrings I made. Next, I'll be working with shell-shaped spiral beads. I have two pairs, and for one of them, I'll add a bit of sparkles. I'll use hooks to attach the ear wire to the beads. While the glue dries, I'll work on the hard beads to create studs. First, I'll check the edges and, if needed, file them for a smooth finish. The next step is attaching the stud pods, a simple task anyone can do. While the earrings are drying, I'll continue with these colorful balls. I'll attach pins and add charming little metal cups to give the beads a richer look. I have to say, jewelry making is all about creativity. You can change the design at any moment, maybe by adding crystal beads for an extra pop. I decided to get creative with the design, and you'll see the result shortly. Since I have plenty of polymer clay beads left, my next creation is a bracelet. This time I'll add crystal beads and metal cups to enhance the design. I'm using magnetic clamps for closure and synthetic wire for threading. The result is a charming bracelet. And that's not at all. I'll still have beads, so I'll make another bracelet. This time I'll use metal wire, gold bead cups, and plastic beads. A few minutes of work and the bracelet is ready, and it's beautiful, with the metal wire adding durability and magnetic clamps at each end. Today I'm wrapping up with a necklace made from blue beads. I saved a few beads for another project, which I'll share in a future video. The design is similar: wire, metal bead cups, small red crystal beads, and delicate gold round beads with the magnetic clamps. This concludes the video, but I'll let you know that I've tried a completely different polymer clay and made other items, which I'll showcase in upcoming videos. Working with professional materials is of course much easier, but I just can't bring myself to throw away this clay. Perhaps I'll save it for my grandkids to play with. See you in the next video.